Late model Toyota Lexus timing, we've got that. Hey everybody, Cal with Melling Engine Parts. Hey, this week we're excited to announce the release of 2 new timing sets. These sets fit Lexus and Toyota 2.4 liter dual overhead cam engines. What we've got here is a 3-1109 SX. This kit comes with a primary timing chain tensioner, a pair of guides, and the tensioner shoe, as well as the oil pump chain, tensioner arm, and spring. We've also got this kit available as a 3-1109 SAX. The SAX part number includes the primary timing chain tensioner, guide, the long guide, and then the tensioner shoe. If you're looking for timing for your late model Toyota Lexus engine, make sure you check these 2 parts out.